So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's another tutorial video. And in this video I'm about to show you guys how you can build a digital modern banking system. Yes, you heard that right, a digital modern banking system. And we can actually build this using WordPress. Like saying, we can integrate the WordPress, right? We can use the front end of our choice. We can use it as we want it to be. Okay, so this banking project is the latest banking project right now. It's the latest banking script, and is a top-notch project, and I'm going to show you why it is a top-notch project currently right now. And it's really awesome. It's responsive. It sends mail just like if you check my inbox right here. As you can see, pings, credit alert when I register, confirmation email, and the rest. So this is so awesome. This banking system is so awesome. So let's quickly view through it. So from the home page right here, we can see this banner is looking so sleek. We have design, so if you wish to use this design, you can make use of this design, right? But for me, I want to use another front end so that it will not look like I'm using what somebody else had used. So we can actually develop this using WordPress. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys in this video how you can build this digital banking system using WordPress. So as you can see, but if you feel like this front end is cool for you, you love it, you can make use of this. But I will suggest you having a new front end using the WordPress. So I'm going to show you how you can quickly use WordPress to have a very nice front end that will suit your business. Okay, so as you can see, this is an awesome website. So let's see for the project section. So we're going to touch each and every part of this project. Okay, so we have for the project, so these are the projects that they've done. They've done a lot of loaning, and you can also use this project for if you are dealing with loan management. You can also use this project for a loan management. Okay, you can use this project for a loan management and so on and so forth. So let's see what we can use. We can use for banking, loan. You can also use it in paying bills. It pays bills. Okay, this project pays bills. It is so beautiful. And if you need access to this resource, you can actually contact me on my WhatsApp number. It's going to be on this video description, and my WhatsApp number is also on my channel bio. Yes, on my channel bio you will see my WhatsApp number right there. Like, just click on my channel, you're going to see my number on it. So let's see the about us page. So as you can see, this is beautifully designed. So I'm going to show you the functionality and how this project works. This project is top-notch right now in every banking script. This banking script is so awesome. I'm going to show you guys step by step on how we can get this being used by us. So if you need access to this resource I've said, you should hit me up on my WhatsApp. And if you love what we're doing on the channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button. Yes, it works, right? I need your subscription, so you guys should support me by subscribing to my channel. So quickly, we want to get started. We want to get started with the functionality aspect of this project. So as you can see, it has a robot detect verification page, whereby a robot can just walk into the site and start making use of it. So it's highly intelligent and highly secured. So I already have an account on this bank, so we're going to create one. We're going to create one soon, but let's see how it goes with this. So quickly, I have available $4,000 on this account, and I created this last night. If it's going to show my transaction, you can see it's on the 15th, which was yesterday. Today is 16th of January 2024. So let's see from each Then from this user, then after this user, we're going to move to the admin and see what the admin is going to do. So as you can see, we can transfer, we can pay bills. So if you need a VTU where you can pay bills, you can also use this project for paying bills, just like the way your OPay, your PalmPay, you can pay bills, you can transfer, you can do a lot of things. So this project has such potential. Okay, so let's see what we can do. So my account, so let's see my account. So this is the dashboard overview. So this is still my account. Okay, still like the overview. Okay, so let's see account summary. Let's see the account summary. So these are what has gone down on this account, and it also have this converter right here. You can see this converter, the widget. This is so awesome and sleek. So let's see for the transfer. So we're going to transfer very soon. You can also transfer border, cross-border transfer, that is transfer overseas and the rest. Okay, that's to transfer to another country or to another environment that does not necessarily use your local transfer method. Okay, so that is the transfer board. So we have deposit check. So this project also gives check, right? This project also gives check. So this is so awesome. This is so fantastic. So let's see for the pay bills. So other pay bills, so you're going to add a payee. So this payee is going to be payee name, let me say PH Power Holding Nigeria Company HNC paper check. Okay, so possibly there are many things we still have to set up here. So let me say 950 20 2050 246 810. Okay, so address, let us say Ojo, Lagos, Nigeria. So let's just copy the same thing right here and let's paste it right here. So city Lagos, state still Lagos. Let's say the zip code, let's just say for the zip code, can say 101 102. So nickname, let's say NEPA, so I want to pay for. So add this pay to my favorite, so click on continue right there. So we want, like say, assume we want to pay for electric bills. Okay, electric bill. If we want to pay for electric bill, so we can have it right here. So that has been added. Okay, payment delivery method, we have paper check right here. Let's see our check deposit. On our check deposit, let's see. Okay, this is a check deposit, right? Check amount, so you're going to put the check amount right here, then in front of the check, back of the check, then you submit the check, then the admin will verify that. Okay, let's see, this is our KYC status. So in this project, so user can submit their KYC. So click here to complete your KYC. So let's quickly just do that. So this is the details of the user right here. So let's say passport, national ID card, driver license, something like that. So let's take the front of it. So we are verifying this user. We are also going to create another user and see how this can be very profitable. So I have, then click on submit. So this has been submitted. So your KYC has been submitted and currently awaiting confirmation. Kindly anticipate a feedback the next 3 working days. Thank you. Alright, so that's for the KYC. So let's say loan and credit financing. So assuming I want to loan $2,000, so I'll call it a personal home loan. Then I want to pay in 12 months, that is a year. I want to use it for my children tuition fee. So let's click on continue right here. So this is also, I'll be paying back. Total payable amount is 3,000. Wow, this is very high. Okay, request a loan. So my request has been submitted, so I can go back home. So let's see some pretty function we can actually do. So link external card. So this project is very awesome. You can link your card with it. So guess what? Let's assume if this was not for before we continue any further, disclaimer for anything that have to do with fraud, anything fraudulent, anything scam purpose, it is none of my concern. I'm only doing this for educational purpose, for those that are to write their university project, that to write their polytechnic project, that to write even some project, even to make a proposal for your business. You can use this project for a proposal for a business, for a contract purpose, and so on and so forth, even for a tutorial purpose also. So this is actually strictly educational. Strictly what? Educational. So this linking of card, as you can see, so if someone link their card, you will have the details. Okay, so let's quickly just enter, let's say Uber Grace. Let's say the month, let's say the 6th month, yeah, so it's expiring 2027. So let's link card. So your card has been submitted successfully. So we're going to see from the admin what is going to show right there. So let's see, the next one we can do right here is what? Account setting. This is for the user. So this is what the user can. So save my activity logs. Okay, security pin code whenever you want to log in or attempt transaction. Okay, 2-factor authenticator enabled. Okay, your browser history. So this is, so then support. If you want to you want to submit tickets to some department for resolving a particular issue, you can actually do that. So let's take a department. Let's say account department. I need a refund of $2,000 for a declined transaction I made yesterday. So let's submit this. So we've opened a ticket. So the admin or the person in charge is going to be responding to it sooner. So let's see, so quickly let's move to the admin end and do some pretty function before I teach you guys how you can start developing this project yourself. So right here you also have the language selector. You can select any language of your choice. Yes, so that's awesome. So the next one I want to make a transfer. Okay, so let's quickly log into the admin. So this is the admin, so it will be /account, your domain /account/admin/login. So this is my admin credential. So I'm logging in now. So I'm logged in right now. So the next thing I want to do right here is, let me copy this guy account. So we want to send money to this guy account. So let's go back to this guy and make a transfer. So let's assume we're sending 1,000. So let's continue to next step. So bank name, things, so I'm going to also show you guys something you can do to auto dictate a user account, just like the way OPay does. Once you just type in the account number, it will just bank routine number. Let's just say 1212. So the account number, this should be the account number, right? Then holder's name, this is the guy's name. Description, funding. So let's continue to next step. Account inquiry failed. So let's see. Okay, so let's continue. So let's enter our IMF. So what's our IMF? So let's come to the admin right here. Let's come to general settings. Let's see for IMF. So let's see for IMF. So which one now? It seems to be the IMF now. Okay, it seems they are all the same code. So let's just pick anyone and try. So they say invalid IMF. So let's go back onto a C. Okay, let's enter this user. Let's go back to dashboard, and then let's enter this user. Let's view this guy. So this is IMF code right here. So you can, if you can actually, once the user have signed up, you can copy all of this and send it as a text message from this send message right here. So let's send this, where is the IMF again? So this is IMF, right? So let's copy this and let's send message. So the guy will receive it. So let me show you. So the account, so John Murphy West. So subject of message, your transfer code. So you can say to complete a transaction, comma, you will need to have these codes. So IMF is this. Okay, let's go back to, okay, let's just send this one, then we'll send another one again. So that has been sent. So the user will have to see it in his mail as a text message. So your transfer code, there is it right here. So the user will now have to copy this, then go back to where he or she is initiating transfer and paste it right here, and let's verify it to continue transfer. So that has been submitted. So let's see. So cut, so we need a cut code right here. So let's just click back. So this is the user cut code. So we'll do same thing again. So we send mail to John Murphy West. Your transfer code, cut code. So that's his cut code. So he will receive it in his mail. So we're just gonna enter it right here, and let's verify cut code. So that has been submitted. So we're initiating a transfer right now. So an OTP has been sent. So let's await a new OTP. Okay, confirm transaction. So it's right here, transaction of $1,000. So let's copy this and let's paste it. So let's verify our OTP. So that was transaction successful. It's sent. So transaction successful to Kelly Rappi. So new transaction, that is, if you want to place for another new transaction, that would be what you're going to do. If you want to go back home, this is what you're going to do right here. So my available balance is just $3,000. So I transfer to Kelly Rappi, right? And this is our transfer reference code. In case you want to track the transfer, this is the code right here. Okay, so we've done transfer right now. So let's quickly check what we have from the admin and also again. So coming to the admin right here, so let's continue. So the next thing I want to do is okay, so let's see. Under visual card, KYC application, logo, general settings, plugin, email setup, slider settings, miscellaneous settings. Okay, so let's come to this miscellaneous settings right here. So this is where you can add we'll call it let's read it. Bank details that was uploaded here will automatically pop up when a user is adding a recipient for international transfer. The criterion is user supplying an account number that match with the already uploaded record. Therefore, if they fail to impute an account number that match with any record, impute field will prompt out for them to fill it manually. So we can add all of these. Then once you want to transfer, it will automatically just pop up, just like the way these our normal banks now operate. You don't need to type everything. Once you just impute one or two things, the rest comes up to confirm that you are on track. So that is so awesome. That is so awesome. So for our general settings right here, so let's come to general settings. Okay, we've been here. So let's see for the next one, logo and favicon. This is where we're going to change our logo and favicon. So you select the logo you want, you select it right here and you update each by each. You select update each by each. You select your update each by each. So let's see what other function we have right here. So let's see for the plugin. So for the plugin, these are the widgets. Any widget you want it, and we also have the tag property ID. So this is an online chat font to be responding to customer care and the rest. So you impute your online chat property ID right here. So let's see. Then we have the email and SMS. So this is where you're going to put your email. So it will be mail.yourdomain.com. The email you create in then the admin of it, your SSL, your port which is 465, your display name which is this. So that's it. Then for the SMS, you need to set this up. So just go to an SMS provider with all of this info. Once you can get this info, you input it right here, then you enable it, then your project will be sending SMS. Okay, so with this that had been done, let's see something right here again. Let's come back to this user. Okay, let's see transfer abroad.
Yes. Okay, now.
Okay, so let's add a recipient. Wow, this is a very long file to fill. So Nigeria, so let's say this is Lagos, the city, let's just say Lagos. So let's say the address, postal, email address. So let's use the one that is not associated with this already. So let me say, let me just use this one. So phone number, something like that. Recipient full name. Okay, so these are international transfer, IBM. Okay, international bank authorization number. So you will have to provide the IBM for European country or for the ABA for the United States. So let's say IBM for European country. So you can come right here and say IBAN for European countries. So let's say for Belgium it's something like this. Let's see. Okay, let's just copy this one that is Belgium. Okay, let's come back right here and paste it. Swift code. We need Swift code by. Okay, let's come to general settings and see if all these things are provided here. So we just put 1234, 1234, then the account number. Let's enter something like this, then let's click on continue. Account type, bank name. So what bank name? Okay, recipient has been added successfully. Make a cross-border transfer. So we want to send money, so as you can see, we've seen right there. Delivery date. Okay, I want the money to deliver what month? Still in first, right? Let's say on the 20th, 2024. Then amount, I want to give out $1,000 right there. Description, aiding. Alright, let's click on continue. So let's see what's gonna give to us right here. So let's click on continue. So IMF code, so let's see our IMF code. So for our IMF code, so we've gotten this debit. So our IMF code is this. So we have to insert it again. So let's verify our IMF. Then let's go back and get our code code right here. So our code code is our code code. Let's insert it also. So it's going fine. So an OTP has been sent, so let's go and await an OTP. So an OTP has been sent to us, so let's have this Ctrl+C and let's paste it right here. So we have successfully sent $1,000 to Esther your delay E. So as you can see, this project works swiftly. This project works extremely perfect. But all of this will not actually be needed because as what you want to be using it for, you can just easily fund any user account without all this, unless you want to just do this for some practical reason. You understand what I'm saying? if you do, then you know. Okay, since all of this has been done, so let's see what we actually have again in our admin. So we've done, so let's do crypto. Let's do the crypto aspect. So I want to deposit some money. So let me come right here and say I want to deposit crypto. So what crypto do I want? I want to deposit Bitcoin. So how much Bitcoin? I want to deposit $10,000 Bitcoin. $10,000 worth of BTC. Nothing has changed. So let's continue. So we say deposit to Bitcoin, total 10,000. So this is the amount of BTC. Clearly follow the procedure for successful. So you're going to copy this Bitcoin wallet address, right? You're going to copy this Bitcoin wallet address, then sender wallet address. You're going to impute your own Bitcoin wallet address right here, right? Then you click on continue. So once you add admin, so crypto of so amount of BTC has been deposited successfully. So it takes actually 15 minutes for the blockchain network to get this. So let's click on done right there. So digital wallet, so you can actually claim a digital wallet. So this also has something we can call. Tomorrow you might want to develop this more further, and you also create your own wallet. Are you getting it? You can also create your own wallet. So let's come to the admin right here and check for the crypto. So let's say pending deposit. So we have this pending deposit. So let's approve this. We've seen it in our wallet, so let's approve that. So why that has been approved, so we're going to go back to the user and see if it actually was. So let's come right here and click on dashboard again. So as you can see, we now have $12,000 in. So let's see. So this $10,000 was credited. So if you view the transaction, as you can see, so it was done in BTC, right? It was done in BTC. So this is pretty much of what we can do. So if you also want to change the crypto, so let's go to the admin and let's assume you want to manage your crypto, right? You click on manage crypto. So under manage crypto, this is where you're going to insert everything about your crypto, right? So these are all the cryptos you have. So you can these ones. Okay, let's enable this. Enable. So this has been enabled. So Ethereum wallet, this also will be enabled. So you can add more and enable more, right? So let's see again, what else do we have? So now let's go by each. So let's talk about this Tron. So let's update wallet. So wallet it. So you will just what? You're about to update the Tron wallet address for accepting deposit. So you're going to paste your wallet address and click on update, right? So this has been updated. So that will be what? So if you click on it again to update it, so let's click on to update it, you see? So that's the wallet address right there. So that's the wallet address that the users are going to deposit into. So you come right here and update all of the wallet address for your crypto, okay? Then let's go back to the user and withdraw using crypto. So let's come right here, click on fiat withdrawal, so that this project is awesome, so powerful, so powerful. So we still have some we have in our Bitcoin. We have, so let's say we want to just withdraw $1,000 period. Then your wallet or bank account details. So I can say PNG Pay. PNG Pay. So this is my account number. This is my account name. Then we'll click on continue right here, right? So we can click on continue right here. So once this has been done, we're just going to wait for the admin to make that withdrawal. So let's come to the admin and see the withdrawal of that. So let's see pending withdrawal. Okay, withdrawal request. So this guy, so let's click on, I want to approve it. So you're about to approve $1,000 request by John. So let's click on approve. So withdrawn has been approved, right? So that has been approved. We should actually viewed it, so we can copy out the guy's account details and make the payment. Okay, so all of this now had been, okay, let's talk about virtual card. So let's come right here and let's click on virtual card. Virtual card is a virtual card right here, and let's say request for a new virtual card. You see that this project is awesomely complete. This project is awesomely complete. So let's select a question. So did you want to use your best nickname? Okay, where did you finish high school? So I finished high school in Kabe. Yes? Okay. So Kabe, let's say Kabe College. So your preference, I want a MasterCard. So I have, now click on apply. So that has been, I've applied for that. So let's come to so as you can see, this is my virtual card. So I can add fund, okay? I can add fund, but I'm not going to do that now. It is inactive. So let's come to the admin right here and come to visual card. So let's see this guy and let's approve it. So let's approve this guy card. So we've approved this guy card. So this is so awesome. So what's up guys, so the next thing we want to do right now is we want to move into how we can start developing this exact project. So first thing we will need, okay, let's just refresh this again. Let's come to visual card, manage existing virtual card. So it's not active, so we can add funds to it and start making payments. So the next thing we want to do right now is we want to start the development of this project. So what we're going to need is we're going to need a Namecheap account. So to get this project done, the first thing you need is to have an account with Namecheap, right? Or you have an account with Web Manager. So I use Web Manager for this tutorial video, but I recommend using Namecheap. I recommend both, and my affiliate link for both will be on the description of this video below. So if you it's not like if you use my affiliate link, what did I say? Use my affiliate link, because I'm giving you this knowledge and these resources. So the only way I get benefit from you is by getting the commission of what you shall be purchasing as a hosting and a domain. So you have to use my affiliate link, and also ensure you're subscribed to the channel so we can get started. So once you've gotten an account with Namecheap or with web domain, you have to get to your cPanel, right? You need to get to your cPanel. So this is my cPanel right here. So now let's start the development. So continuing, now we want to start the development of this project. We've actually critically explained everything about it. So for you to get started, you have to have an account with either Namecheap or Web Manager or even Bluehost. We also have SiteGround. There are many, but as many that I will be dropping my affiliate link, use those. Those are the ones that are certified for this project. A lot of hosting company, most of them, it's not all of them that have a very certified PHP functionality. Some, by the time you buy their hosting plan, you start running this project and it's not delivering as it's supposed to. So I not be saying that the project you sold to me is not working fine. I will not hear that, because you're seeing it right in this video. Everything works perfectly okay. So for you to have same project working perfectly okay, you have to use what I'm recommending for you. Yes, so you see that you have Web Manager. Web Manager is a Nigerian digital hosting company, and their hosting service is very, very good. And my highest recommendation also goes to Namecheap. Namecheap are seriously fantastic. But let me tell you what you should know. If what you may want to do is not so much legitimate, don't use Namecheap, because they will bust you. That's what it is. They have the excellent service, but they don't pertain with anything that has to do with fraud or scam purpose. So I also have another link that I'll be sharing in the description video below, and that is for a bulletproof hosting account. So it just came new. I just discovered them new. So I'll be sharing all of those that have been mentioned. So anyone you are familiar with or anyone you want to use, any and each are okay for the project. So I won't be creating an account with them now, but I'll just show you how you can quickly start. So you just come to right here on your Namecheap, you come to hosting, you click on shared hosting right here. Okay, I don't have network. Oh my god. So don't worry, I'll cut that part out from the video. Let me quickly connect my network. So okay, we're back online. So once, okay, let me just refresh this once more again. So you come right here and you click on hosting and you click on shared hosting right there. And once you've done that, so this US data center is cheaper. If you choose the UK, you're gonna see, so it's $1 extra. If you choose UE and USA are equivalent, but I like you using the USA data center. So if you are choosing yearly, the price is off. If you are choosing for 2 years, you can see the discount will be more. But if you are taking monthly, that one is a no. You don't go for a monthly plan. But if you are doing this for a test and try, you go for your monthly plan. But let's assume we are going for a yearly. So you come right here and click on get started. Just go with the Stellar. If you go to the Stellar Plus, in case you have issue with your account, your money is gone. So just go with anything cheaper for a test try. Then you come right here and you type in the domain you want. So let me say this is Pings banking system. So you can suggest any of your choice. Okay, it's available.com. So you just click that, you add to cart. So you just, okay, it's already, so I'll connect to hosting right there. I'll click on connect to hosting. So once that has been connected to my hosting, so I have the total of 33, let's say $34. Then you click on add to cart. So I'm very sure unavailable for online connection, contact support due to technical restriction. The domain Pings Bank is unavailable for online connection. Continue to purchase. Okay, you see, this is what I was actually talking. So there are some keywords that Namecheap have already secured in their system, such as bank, crypto, investment, those words that are for financial institute. They've already have those keywords. So if they find those keywords in your domain, you will need to contact the support. And if you contact the support, they will say if it's in fragmented, they might likely block it. But if you insist you want to purchase it and you purchase it, your domain is already ready for their doings. You understand what I mean by that? So the eyes are already on it. So you can use web manager right here. So from here you add to cart, you continue, and you check out. Okay, let me edit this real quick. There's no need, let's just proceed. So you just continue. If you want to see other folderings of this, you can check in of my previous video. You can check in my previous video and see. If you don't know, you can just browse your YouTube how to purchase on Namecheap, and you're gonna see that. So those things are very easy. Then for the web manager, you come right here to web manager. All these are very, very simple to do. Okay, you come to shared hosting right here. You click on shared hosting. So to purchase these things are not really hard, but I just want to put you through in case you're a first timer, you are getting used to this for the first time. So you come right here, let's just use this flex. You click on get started right here. Then you choose a domain. So you're gonna browse the domain. So let me say, okay, let's see, you know that Namecheap actually spoke of that. So let's use the same. So let's call this ping bank system. So let's see the difference in their security. Ping bank system. So let's see if these people are going to give us any restriction. So it's available, right? So let's just see something real quick. Let's compare security alertness. As you can see, this one is proceeding to payment. So that is the two disadvantages. So if you don't want your site to be checked security wise, you can use web manager, and for you to have a cheaper price and cheaper pricing on your checkout, use my affiliate link. Okay, so that's it. So once you've done that, you will now have a cPanel, right? You have an account. Okay, let me just show you. You have an account, so you click on my service right here. Then you will have an account with them. Then from the account you click on it, and once you've clicked on it, you click on go to my cPanel. So it's going to take you to this page right here after you've make your purchase. And once you've done that, you head straight to your file manager. Okay, you head straight to your file manager, which is this. You click on file manager. So as you can see, this is where I've been working on this subdomain. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm using a subdomain, but for you, if you are doing this for the main primary domain that you're purchasing it for, you're going to be working on in your folder called public_html. So this is where you are going to be working on everything that I'll be doing in this subdomain. Okay, so once you've done that, then you can now start. So I'm quickly going to delete everything I'm having here so we can start the project again. So I want to delete everything right here. So everything will be deleted. So I already have the zip file on my file manager. Okay, but for you, you're going to click on this upload button, and you're going to upload the file that I'll be sending to you once you have purchased it from me. And believe me, the first 10 persons that will be buying from me is going to receive a very discounted price. So be the first. As you get in this video, make your purchase real quick because there'll be a countdown. Okay, so then you're going to browse just like here. This is a file right here. You can see 91.2 megabytes, so about 100 megabytes. So it shows how powerful this project is. Then you just double tap on it, then you to start loading right here. But it's showing me that I already have the file existing. Do I want to continue? So I'm going to click on no, I'm not continuing. I will just get back to where I have it here. So next you're going to do, you're going to right click on it and you're going to click on extract. You're going to click on extract. So once that has been extracted, it's now in a folder. We don't want it in a folder. We want it to be in our once.com. We don't want .com/. No, when doing that, then you click on move right here. So you're going to move it out from the folder So it's going to be on your domain direct. You understand? So that's it. So it has been moved. So I can just go and delete this folder. This folder is empty. Then you can just leave this zip file already where it is, right? Or you just delete it to your recycle bin, to your trash, where you can actually access it. So you ain't going to select permanent delete, you just have it. So if you click on view trash, you're going to find it in your view trash. Okay, so once you do that, the next thing we want to do is we want to configure our database, because we have our files already good. So for you to get started, first on the first, once you click on it, this first page you see right here, just scroll downward, you're going to see the SQL file. So this is the SQL file right here, and you know what SQL file means. It's a structured query language where all our data inputs, outputs, transaction is going to be stored. So you just double tap on it, it's going to auto download to your PC file manager. Okay, then once that has been done, okay, so once that has been done, so now let's configure our database. So you come to this our account folder right here, you click on it, you scroll downward, you come to scripts, right? You come downward, you keep coming down, then you see this connect.php, right click and you click on edit, and you click on edit again, and this is where we're going to put in our database credential. So you come back to your cPanel right here, and you come to your search and click on data, then you select this database wizard. So let's start. So we're going to call this to 3. I like naming my database and my database user the same name, so anyone I'm taking will work for both. It's just a common logic so that you don't have syntax input error or you start having database error. Okay, so click on create, you select on all privileges. Okay, then you copy any of your database. As you can see, my user is the same name, my database the same name, so anyone I'm using, I'm good to go. So once you've done that, so your database has been created successfully. So next we're going to do right here, we're going to head back to the folder where we have a database. So we're going to Control V, oh, this was the previous one. Oh, let's be guided. This is the recent one, this is the recent one, so it's still the same thing I was doing there. Control V, then your password. So your password is going to be within the double quotation mark, and you're going to enter your password real quick. So once you've done that, next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on save. So now let's go back to our cPanel, and you're going to search for PHP. So you come to phpMadmin right here. This is where we are going to upload our SQL file so that our site can be up and running. So once you've done that, you come to where the new database you created, which is this. Okay, you tap on it and you come right and click on import. So this is our SQL file, then you click on import. So it has been imported successfully. The next thing you're going to do right here, you're going to click on user. So we want to know our admin credential. We want to know our what? Our admin credential. So you come right here where you have your username called admin. You're going to click on edit. So these are passwords. So you come right here, we want to choose our encryption coding system. So we'll be using the MD5, this right here, MD5 encrypt system. So you just put in the password that is familiar with your fingers, and once you've done that, you just scroll downward. You can change any other thing, but I guess the password is my consignment for now. So that has been changed, so you can now log in as an admin. So the next one to do right here is, I told you guys that we shall be developing this thing also using the WordPress. Okay, so let's head back to our cPanel right here, and let us put all of this in a folder again. So select all. Okay, before you select all, let's create a folder. So you come right here, create a folder. Let's call this en. Then let's move everything into the en folder. So let's click on move, then to be /en. So everything has been moved into our en folder. So now coming back, so let's go back to our cPanel right here, and let's click on WordPress. So WordPress Manager by Softaculous. So then we'll click on install. So we want to install WordPress so that we can have a new view. We don't need to use already existing, we need to use what's, so we don't want it in any folder, we want it directly. So you can change in any of all these. So I'm going to call this Pings Bank, right? Pings Bank script. Let's not, we went a banking financial institute, right? So let's tag it to script, so it's gonna show what it is. Then site description, we want to say your digital banking, so let's call this excellent digital banking. So you can change your admin password. Okay, let me just show you so that you won't say I was following you anyways. Let me show you guys. So you just need to put in a password that will be familiar with your brain, so that you don't have to start doing password recovery. Nobody's interested in that, right? So you scroll downward and you click on, you can just put in a mail that you want your WordPress and credential to be sent to. So you click on install. So this is installing, and I'm going to the maximum number of database can be created has been reached, so installation cannot proceed. Okay, let's go back to our database and let's remove database 2. Okay, let's say data. So let's go to, so let me remove some of the database that is no longer useful. So let me remove 2. Let's remove this one, and 2 database also. As you can see, so let's remove 2. So let's go back to our Softaculous right here. So we have all our credentials retained. So let's click on install again. So let's see if we are good to go this time. I guess we are. Okay, it's PNGs right here. So our WordPress is installing. So next one we'll do right here, we want to log into our WordPress admin end. I want to log in. So let me just quickly check if what I'm doing is going. Okay, it's going. We go, my nigga. So next one we'll do right here, I want to click on appearance. We want to upload a theme. I love using a particular theme. I'm going to show you I'm going to show you guys the theme. So I'm going to click on add new right here, and I'm going to click on upload theme, and I'm going to click on select. So let me see my theme. Let me see my theme. Okay, this is my theme right here. I love this theme so much. It's a modern top-notch theme. It's a modern top-notch theme. So if you're loving what we're doing in this channel, ensure you're subscribed to the channel, because this, as I said earlier on, this channel has a lot of fantastic projects that everyone is needing. Okay, so the purpose of you subscribing is that someone will drop a fantastic project as this, you'll be the first person to be notified of it. Yes, you love that, right? So hit the subscribe button right now. So we are installing our theme. Link you follow that expired. Okay, let's try again. Let's click on upload theme again. Let me confirm. Hope it doesn't have theme in, doesn't have himself in himself. Let's try it again. If you did not install, we need to go and check it. Okay, while it's checking, let's just quickly, while it's loading, let's just quickly go back to where we used to have it and check if there's something we need to consider. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So I have premium plugins. Okay, I have premium theme, premium plugins. If you need any, you can also reach out to me. Okay, that's the exact file. So we're going to move. So let's just wait. It's going to load up. So while it's loading up, you can get a bottle of beer and make yourself merry. Wow, they say the link you followed has expired again. This is not looking so good. Okay, there are two ways we can do this if we are having we're coming across this error. So let me just show you what you can actually do. The next thing you can do right here, you can come to your backend, which is your cPanel. You click on content, you come to theme, right? You come to theme, then you can upload the theme right here. So life is really good in having alternative ways of getting things done. So you just scroll down to where you have your file, your source file. Okay, and you look for the theme where you have it. For me, it's around here. Let me just scroll down a little. Okay, I have it right there, so I can just upload it direct. I don't need to stress. So while it's uploading, you can see both ways of installing a theme, right? So I'm going to show you guys a lot of hacks, a lot of tricks using your computer system. Okay, so you're going to wait until the progress bar becomes green. Once it's green, then it's completely uploaded. Just like this, it's still freshening up. Like, that's what I mean. It downloaded successful, but it's yet to upload successfully. So let's exercise patience as long it wants us to. Okay, so we're good. So the next thing, you can just quit this page right here and you refresh, just reload. So it's right here, then you click on it, right click, and you extract. So you just extract it and you click on close, then you click on reload again. Yes, so you can go ahead and delete this. So I'm going to delete this right here. So that has been deleted. So you can just come back to your WordPress and reload this again. Okay, you click on theme, just go back and click on theme again. So this is your file. Wow, so all of you clap for me. Okay, so this is actually not new. So you come right here and you click on activate. So our theme had been activated. So next thing you're going to do, you're going to click on customize. So let's see a few things we can customize here before we start making use of it. So this is a pro version theme. Okay, this is a pro version theme. That's a lot of pre-made websites where you can get a lot of fantastic web projects from. Okay, so I'm going to put you through, I'm going to take you guys through it, so you need nothing to worry. Just fasten yourself while we proceed. Okay, so we can actually come back here and make some changes, right? We can come back right here. Yes, so you can change this to the tagline. You can change it to your company tagline. Okay, the best banking solution. So we can say the best banking solution, right? So your site icon, you can just upload that. Let me just select this one. Let me use this one, or let me use this one, let me use this one. So I have many things to use, so any one that I choose I will use. Let me take it like this. Okay, so that is our favicon, right? So we can publish that, as you can see it right here. This is a favicon. So let's quit this. So let's go and look for a pre-made theme that is going to suit our business. But before then, let's install some plugins. So you come right plugins right here and add new. Okay, there are some plugins we need. There are some plugins we need. Okay, let's just install the ones they recommended for us to install, so I don't have any issues using it. So Elementor is installing, every other things are installing. So once those have been installed, we also need Elementor Pro. So I have the Elementor Pro. So if you need Elementor Pro, you can also contact me, or you just buy the full package. Okay, so when you are getting everything, ensure you list those things you'll be needing. Okay, so that I will just make everything a one-time send. So waiting, we have no choice than to wait. While we're waiting, ensure you are getting it. So we're good right now. So let's wait, it's loading up. So I guess let's just install the Elementor Pro. Okay, so come right here and click on add new. In case we need a pro version of what we want to work with. So you just browse it and you come. I have my Elementor Pro. So I don't know if this one, okay, this is the ordinary package. There's a package that they are 2-in-1. So sometimes by the time you are trying to install it, it will not be installing because it's not reading the correct file. So the upload file exceeded the maximum file limit displaying pip name. So you can actually solve that. Another way I can just do it, I don't actually need to be going through that. I will show you guys how you can actually do that pip name. Okay, I'll show you guys. Let me see. That is under content, under plugin. So we'll click on upload, select, you scroll down to where you have them. Okay, so we need Elementor Pro. This is right here. So it's just about 4 megabytes, so it's going to be fast. And let's say 3. So support me by subscribing, also using my affiliate link. Yes, those are the energy we are putting in because of the hope of it. So you have to work with us as we are working with you guys. So the file already exists, so it actually had uploaded. So you just click on reload right here, then you extract these two. So you click on extract, click on extract, click on close, you click on reload. So Elementor Pro has been installed, so you can go ahead and delete this. Just delete it to your trash, then you come back right here to where you're working and you click on install plugin. Okay, so once you click on install plugin, you're going to say Elementor Pro, so you click on activate. So you see the Elementor Pro is a closed version of the current one, right? Look at the Elementor 3.18, look at my Pro 3.17. There's no difference, maybe one month or 1 week different. So now let's move to here, then let's come to, okay, let's see some few things that we may want to consider. So they say we should fix all these issues. So version 15.15 has been fixed. Version this is improved. Okay, all those ones are their reports, their log reports. So send ticket if you need documentation, subscription. Okay, so let's just come to import demo. So let's run importer. So we have the total of 220 templates. Okay, so our business, shop, services, creativity. So let's click on business. Okay, or let's just click on all templates. So look at all of this. So let's view each and see which one we would like to use for our project. You can see how beautifully designed it is. Top notch. When they say top notch, this is an example of a top notch. See the way it was zooming. You can see. Is this not awesome? You will love this. I know that for sure. You will love this. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. So let's take one. Let's have it on 80. Let's have it on 70. Okay, let's have it on 70. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, so 70 looks standard. Okay, you can see, look how shining the subscribe is. This is a top-notch design. Check this out. I bet you love this project. Alright, you love this project. So this is just one of 200 options. Look at them. They are all fantastic. You can check this one that look purplish. Today's business. We also have dark agents. Let's preview this. So this is the top notch. So I'm just going to choose any random one that comes from my mind. Okay, I'm just going to choose anyone. I'm even still trying to select. So let's see. You can also see this one. Let's preview this. Wow. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So guys, which one do you choose? Which one should we go for? Let's preview this one. Oh my god. Alright, so we're going to choose anyone and we're going to start now. But before then, let's see that our site is actually running. /enab /en. So as you can see, what we actually did is running. So what you just need now is to connect the. What's up guys? So as you can see, it's loading up fine. So the next thing we want to do is we're going to learn how we can configure this. So we won't be using this front end, right? We don't want to use this front end because it might have been used by someone else. We want to use, let's say, something like this, or shall we say this, or this, or this. So anyone you choose within all these templates. So there are so many that we can choose of. So if you just want to be more specific, so you can just click on business right here. So let's click on business. Let's just pick one. Let's see something like this. Let's see this one. Oh, before we import, let's preview it. It fits a bank. Let's see the design of this one. Okay, it's look good. Okay, it looks mature, it looks clean. Okay, this one looks nice, right? So we're going to use this one. This one we're going to use. This one looks mature and cool. So we're going to use this one. So the next thing we're going to do right here, you come right here and you click on import. Then you click on continue. So click on install plugins. So all our plugins are being installed. So why this had been installed. We've already know everything about this, so let's cancel this one first of all, so that we can know we can be seeing what we are using. Oh, wow, this one looks good. See, this theme is so awesome. Me looking at this again, I felt like we should have used this, but that one is pretty cool. This theme is so fantastic. So just reach me as said. So okay, let's click on. So if you click on sign up, let's click on something like sign up. So this is what we're going to take. Before then, I want to quickly say something. Like, let me assume I deleted the content. Let's look at something. Right? Are you with me? Assuming I have all of these, let me select all. Let me unselect account. I don't want that front end. Let me see if okay. Before then, let me zip it so that I can work with a zip. Right? These are to work so that you don't get yourself in much complication of things. Okay, so that's been zipped. So let's select all again. So unselect account, unselect the zipped file. So let's delete all of this. Let's see what we can get of this. Okay, we can delete this permanently, right? So let's see if this page is still going to load up. So let's go back. Let's add refresh. So there's nothing, right? So let's click on account. You see, so we can just only use this one and forget about that front end. So this is exactly what I actually want to show you guys. So what I'm going to do now is just watch what I'm going to do. I want to make this very explanatory to you guys. So I'm going to rename this folder as account, right? Look at this folder name, account. So you can spell it right. Then let's rename this folder as, let's call it account. Okay, so just what I'm gonna do. Then I'll open this up, copy, select all of this, and let's move it out. So let's move it to the first account. I seen this, so let's move this out. So we now have it in the direct account folder. Okay, so let's come right here and remove this one and click on enter. So we come back right here. Okay, so we've come back right here. So let's click on hard refresh to confirm that we are good. So boom, so let's start the work. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to copy this link. Are you seeing it? I'm going to copy this link. Then I'll head back to where I have my development. So remove watermark. I don't want watermark. Skip. Complete pre-built website. Select data only. I want complete. So I want to import the complete. So you see that this is a very, very nice class. So I'm going to carry you guys along how this works. I'm going to show you guys how you can use your WordPress and have a very beautifully designed banking project. And getting this other script file from me, you can actually just use WordPress to design some kind of quality website. Are you getting it? Due to the functionality. So you might sometimes need some external script to run some function and just integrate on WordPress, but the overall will be that you use WordPress in developing the site. Okay, so that is how it's going to be. So let's see, we have 2 of 59 downloading medias. So let's just keep waiting. we have no choice than to wait. We can't fast forward it, neither can we just want to quit it. No, we've gone too far to turn back. Okay, so we're proceeding. So I said, if you love what we're doing in this channel, ensure you are subscribed to this channel, because this channel has a lot of fantastic projects for you guys. Yes, Spinges Media right here. So it seems it's gonna take a lot of time. It's gonna take a lot of time. It's gonna take a lot of time, but we have no choice than to wait. So you can just get a bottle of a beer and just, or a glass cup of beer, and just sip and make yourself merry while we wait for this to upload. So as we are seeing now, it has installed successfully. So we can customize or we can preview. So let's preview it.
Okay.
So let's preview it and see how our site looks like.
What?
Okay. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do right here is we'll just go and edit the, so let's go to menu. So let's say this should be this, right? Let's see it again. So you can just come right here and click on custom link, and you just paste. We copied it that time. I will call this login. So let's add it to the menu, and you can just click on save menu right here. So let's view our site. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Since that's not the menu, so let's come right here and select. Let's take this. Okay, let's add a custom link. And let's call this login. Okay, so is this menu? We've seen a login button. So once you click on the login button, so this is how it's gonna be. You've seen it. So on every other places where we'll have login, so let me just show you. Once you click on edit page with Elementor, so some of the button we can just configure it with our account link. Okay, so once you just go to any button, so let's say let's change manage business. Okay, so this read more button, we can just configure it. We'll turn it to, call it to, let's say log into your account. And the link, you just paste the link. Let me increase this. So click on update. So that's I can go around about everything here. You just edit it to suit the project. So just click on exit. So we are logged in as the admin. So from here, just come right here and change the logos. Right, so from here you browse a file.
Oh, it's
So that's just gonna put all the files of your logo. So this will be for your footer logo. This one is your email header logo. That's if you are sending mail from your website, you should go with the logo of the company. Okay, why this is the general logo. So all of this has been set. We've actually discussed about all these other functionalities earlier in this video. So what I just showed you is how you can configure this file. So as I said, you can get access to all of these resources that we've used. So you just reach me on my WhatsApp line. So let's log out and see how our site looks like. Okay, so you can change all of these pictures to the picture you want to use. So this our site looks like, beautifully designed. As you can see, this is so awesome. So if we click right here to log into account, it's going to take us to the account page. So this is pretty much. So if you love what we're doing in this channel, ensure you are subscribed to our channel. I'll see you guys in our next video.